Alright, motherfucker, God bless that bitch. God bless this motherfucker. God bless, God bless, God bless this bitch. God bless them trucks. God bless this motherfucking car. God bless this whole fucking world. God bless every motherfucking thing in this world. Bitch, I ain't playing. Bitch, stop playing. I ain't got time. I do it like a king do. My motherfucking name is Marcus C. Rice, smoking weed, motherfucker, like I give a fuck, ho. I tried this shit, got high, fuck that bitch, ho, motherfucker. I ain't got time to be playing with you slutty motherfuckers. If I go out there and play, fuck them niggas. I don't give a fuck. Tell them I don't wanna play, nigga. Cause if I play, I'll beat your ass, motherfucker. That's my what name world. Beat that ass, bitch. I don't give a fuck what them niggas think. Nigga, cause I ain't got time to be playing with these hoes, chicken motherfucking fingers, bitch. I ain't got time for that shit, alright, motherfuckers. I ain't bitch. Bitch, I ain't playing, ho. Stop playing, ho. Motherfucker, ho. Bitch, ho. Motherfucking playing, bitch, ho. I don't give a fuck, cause I do it like that motherfucker does right over there in that motherfucking truck. Bitch, stop playing. Motherfucker, I ain't got time to be playing with these sluts. Like a motherfucker, slut, bitch, ho. Motherfucker smoking grow. Like I give a fuck, ho. God bless that bitch. God bless me. God bless my motherfucking dad. God bless that shit. God bless every motherfucker up in here. God bless every motherfucking person in this damn world. God fucking bless. God bless. God bless. I don't give a shit, but God bless. God bless the motherfuckers out there. God bless. God bless, God bless, God bless. Alright, nigga, I ain't got time to be playing with you chicken fingers. I ain't got time to be playing, ho. What's up with you, ho, bitch? Tell them niggas over there, shut the fuck up, back the fuck away. I don't give a fuck, bitch, motherfucker. What the hell is what you doing, nigga? Cause what you doing, nigga, is not inappropriate, nigga, for school, motherfucker. Nigga, what you doing over there smoking dro, motherfucker? Say that shit with me, I'll beat your asshole, motherfucker. Cause I ain't got time to be playing with you motherfucking chicken fingers. Chicken fingers, put that bitch up into tiny slices. Slice that bitch like liver. Like I give a fuck, nigga. Slice it like liver. Beat her like a motherfucking chicken like you would with a hammer. Motherfucker, I'll beat that bitch with a hammer. I don't give a fuck. Beat that motherfucker. Beat that motherfucker up, bitch. If you don't beat that bitch up, I'll beat that bitch up. God bless everybody. God bless this whole fucking world. God bless that bitch. God bless you motherfucking cars. God bless you motherfucking people. God bless the whole fucking world. God bless you. God bless me. God bless every motherfucking people in this world country. Like I give a fuck about these niggas talking shit about me. Tell them motherfuckers I don't give a shit about any of you niggas. Because if I did, I would've beat your ass in a heartbeat. God bless you niggas. God bless everybody. God bless motherfucker. God bless. God bless you niggas. Like I give a fuck. No, that motherfucker smoking bro. Nigga, God bless.